Let's explore the fascinating journey of pineapple production, where tradition and modern techniques come together to create a delightful fruit enjoyed worldwide. How do they do it? The journey of pineapple production starts with selecting the perfect pineapples. The choice of variety is critical, as it influences the flavor, texture, and overall quality of the fruit. Farmers choose varieties known for their sweetness, juiciness, and vibrant color. The stakes are high in this initial stage, because the wrong selection can lead to poor yields and subpar fruit quality. By choosing the best varieties, farmers ensure a strong foundation for the entire production process, setting the stage for producing premium pineapples that meet consumer expectations. Once the ideal variety is selected, planting begins. Pineapples are planted in well-prepared fields with rich, well-drained soil. Farmers space the plants appropriately to allow for optimal growth and air circulation. This careful planting process ensures each pineapple plant has enough room to grow and receive adequate sunlight. The stakes here are significant. Improper planting can lead to overcrowded fields and stunted growth. By meticulously planning the layout and planting techniques, farmers maximize their chances of producing healthy, robust pineapple plants. Maintaining healthy pineapple plants requires effective irrigation and fertilization practices. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the plant roots, minimizing waste and ensuring consistent hydration. Regular fertilization provides essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, promoting healthy growth and fruit production. The stakes are high in this stage, as over- or underwatering and improper fertilization can impact fruit yield and quality. By carefully managing irrigation and fertilization, farmers ensure the pineapple plants produce abundant, high-quality fruit. Pest control is a crucial aspect of pineapple farming. Farmers use integrated pest management (IPM) strategies to protect the plants from insects and diseases. This involves monitoring pest populations using natural predators and applying targeted pesticides when necessary. The stakes are high, as pest infestations can devastate entire crops, leading to significant financial losses. By employing effective pest control measures, farmers safeguard their pineapple plants, ensuring healthy growth and high-quality fruit. To initiate the flowering process, farmers use a technique called forcing. This involves applying a solution of ethylene or acetylene gas to the plants, which triggers the development of flower buds. This controlled flowering ensures a uniform harvest, as all the plants will produce fruit at the same time. The stakes are high in this stage, as improper timing or application can lead to uneven flowering and harvest schedules. By carefully managing this process, farmers ensure a synchronized and efficient harvest. Once flowering is induced, the pineapples begin to develop. During this period, farmers continue to monitor the plants closely, ensuring they receive adequate water, nutrients, and protection from pests. The growing period is critical, as the fruit must reach the desired size and sweetness before harvest. The stakes are high, as any issues during this stage can affect the final quality of the fruit. By maintaining optimal growing conditions, farmers produce pineapples that meet the highest standards of taste and texture. Timing the harvest is crucial to ensure the pineapples are picked at their peak ripeness. Farmers monitor the fruit closely, looking for signs of maturity such as color, size, and sugar content. The stakes are high, as harvesting too early or too late can result in fruit that is either underripe or overripe. By carefully timing the harvest, farmers ensure the pineapples are at their best, ready to be enjoyed by consumers. Harvesting pineapples is a delicate process typically done by hand to ensure the fruit remains undamaged. Skilled workers use specialized tools to carefully pick the pineapples, avoiding harm to both the fruit and the plants. The stakes are high at this stage, as rough handling can bruise the fruit, compromising its marketability and quality. By employing gentle hand-picking techniques, producers ensure that each pineapple reaches the processing facility in pristine condition. Once harvested, the pineapples are quickly transported from the farm to the processing facility. Maintaining a cold chain during transportation is essential to preserve the fruit's freshness and quality. Efficient logistics ensure the pineapples reach the facility promptly, minimizing the risk of spoilage. The stakes are high, as any delay or mishandling during transport can compromise the entire batch. By carefully managing this process, producers ensure the pineapples arrive in excellent condition, ready for the next stage of processing. At the processing facility, the pineapples undergo a thorough cleaning to remove dirt, debris, and any residual pesticides. High-pressure water jets and brushes are used to clean the fruit thoroughly, ensuring hygiene and food safety. This step is crucial, as any contaminants can affect the quality and safety of the final product. The stakes are high. Maintaining cleanliness is paramount to producing high-quality pineapples. This rigorous washing process ensures each fruit is clean and ready for further processing. After cleaning, the pineapples are sorted based on size, shape, and quality. Automated machines and skilled workers work together to ensure uniformity in the final product. This step is essential for maintaining consistent quality, as it ensures even processing and packaging. The stakes are high, as inconsistent sorting can lead to uneven quality and consumer dissatisfaction. By accurately sorting the pineapples, the factory ensures that each fruit meets the high standards expected by consumers. Once sorted, the pineapples are peeled and cut into various forms, such as rings, chunks, or spears. Automated machinery efficiently handles this process, ensuring precision and consistency. The stakes are high, as improper peeling or cutting can result in waste and reduce the overall yield. By using advanced equipment and techniques, the factory maximizes efficiency and ensures each pineapple is perfectly prepared for the next stage of processing. For pineapples destined for juice or canned products, the fruit undergoes juicing and canning processes. Juicing involves extracting the juice from the fruit, which is then pasteurized to ensure safety and extend shelf life. Canning involves packing pineapple pieces into cans, which are then sealed and sterilized. The stakes are high in this stage, as any issues with pasteurization or sterilization can compromise the product's safety and quality. By carefully managing these processes, the factory ensures that each product meets high standards of taste and safety. Throughout the production process, rigorous quality control measures are in place to ensure the pineapples meet the highest standards. This involves regular inspections and testing at each stage, from harvesting to packaging. The stakes are high, as any deviation from the standards can affect the final product's quality and safety. By maintaining strict quality control, the factory ensures that each pineapple product is safe, delicious, and consistent. After processing, the pineapples are carefully packaged to preserve their freshness and quality. This involves sealing the fruit in airtight containers or packaging materials that prevent contamination and spoilage. The stakes are high, as improper packaging can compromise the product's integrity. By using high-quality packaging materials and techniques, the factory ensures that each pineapple product remains fresh and ready for consumers. To maintain freshness, the packaged pineapples are stored in temperature-controlled environments until they are ready for distribution. This step is crucial for preserving the fruit's quality and extending its shelf life. The stakes are high, as any issues with storage conditions can lead to spoilage and waste. By carefully managing storage, the factory ensures that each pineapple product retains its optimal freshness. Finally, the pineapple products are distributed to retailers and consumers. Efficient logistics and transportation systems ensure the products reach their destinations quickly and in excellent condition. The stakes are high, as delays or mishandling during distribution can compromise the product's quality. By ensuring timely and proper delivery, the factory guarantees that consumers receive fresh, high-quality pineapple products. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from farm-fresh pineapples to the delicious products we enjoy. This process artfully combines tradition with modern precision to deliver flavors cherished on tables around the world. If you want to explore more exciting stories, watch our next video.